Step 1. Pay attention to the income source. Real wealth usually has a clear and understandable source of income. It could be a business, investment, or a high-level career, or multiple streams of revenue. When someone constantly displays luxury, but there is no clear explanation of how the money is earned, then that should raise question. Understanding where money comes from helps you separate real financial sources from pure showmanship. Step 2. Look for consistency over time. True wealth is rarely loud and sudden. It is usually built slowly and maintained consistently over time. Fake wealth often appear impressive for a short period because it is driven by pure pressure to impress others. If a lifestyle looks extravagant but unstable or is constantly changing, it may not be supported by real financial strength. Step 3. Study what they prioritize. People who are building real wealth often talk about assets, ownership, investment, and long-term planning. Their focus is on growing what they have. Fake wealth, on the other hand, usually focuses heavily on visible luxury items like expensive clothes, cars, and constant display of status. Observing what someone prioritizes can reveal whether the goal is growth or attention. Step 4. Understand the role of debt. Many luxury lifestyles are actually funded by loans, credit, or financial pressures behind the scene. While debt can sometimes be used strategically, but using it to create an image of wealth can lead to serious financial problems. Learning to recognize this helps you avoid copying habits that look impressive but are financially dangerous. Step 5, the last and not the least. Focus on building, not impressing. The safest path to financial success is focusing on building value rather than trying to impress people. Real wealth grows through discipline, smart decisions, and patience. When you shift your mindset from showing success to actually creating it, you protect yourself from the trap of fake wealth and stay focused on long-term financial freedom.